Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss conversion of 2-methylpyridine to 6-methylpicolinonitrile. For this interconversion, 2-methylpyridine is first allowed to react with hydrogen peroxide in acetic acid to produce 2-methylpyridine N-oxide. In the next step, 2-methylpyridine N-oxide reacts with dimethyl sulfate to produce N-methoxy 2-methylpyridinium methyl sulfate, which in the last step reacts with aqueous sodium cyanide to produce 6-methylpicolinonitrile. Now let's see the details of these steps. The first step is just N-oxide formation, that is N-oxidation. Second step is SN2 reaction, where oxide ion acting as a nucleophile reacts with dimethyl sulfate. The last step is a kind of addition-elimination reaction where cyanide ion adds to the 6th position of pyridine to produce this non-aromatic intermediate, which then eliminates methanol like this to produce 6-methylpicolinonitrile. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.